to change to business account on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change into business account on Instagram. For that, you'll have to open your Instagram application. Then on the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then go and click on three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. Select settings and privacy here. In this section, scroll until you find account type and tools. Click on it. Here you will see switch to professional account option. Click on it. Click on continue. Here you will have to choose one of the suggested category. After that, click on done. Then click on OK. It will give you two options, creator and business. I recommend you to first switch to your creator account, then to business. A quick and easy way, but if you want to continue with business, you can click on business here, then click on next. Click on not now in this page. Click on this cross icon. Account has been switched to creator account now. Now to switch this creator account into business account, you'll have to click on this three horizontal lines, then click on settings and privacy, then click on creator tools and controls here. Now in this page of monetization status, you will find switch account type. Click on it and here you will find options switch to business account. Click on switch to business account. Click on switch to confirm. And you have successfully changed your account into business account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.